Well, really, this does depend again on the country or state you live in. In a country such as the United Kingdom or Spain, egg donation is a totally anonymous and altruistic process. So the idea is you can't donate that egg to your partner. You become an egg donor. However, if you're legally married or in some countries have the legal binding relationship to show that, it is allowed. For example, in Spain, if you are legally married lesbian couple, you can donate your eggs to your partner for reciprocal IVF. However, if you are not married, it's worth looking into legal advice to make otherwise you will not be able to donate your eggs to your partner. In areas of the United States, this donation is freely available. You can choose your egg donor, so there is less problem. However, it is important again to look at the legalities on the forms of who the father is with the donated sperm, who the mother is, to make sure that that baby has both of you as its two legal mums. In the UK, the HFEA does state that if the women aren't legally married, but the procedure takes place in a licensed clinic, both women will be recognised as the legal parents. Another legal aspect to think of is if you are undergoing artificial insemination. Many people may think, let's do this at home, let's do a home treatment. If you decide to go through an artificial insemination type of treatment at home and not through a licensed clinic, do be aware that there may be legal aspects involved. Only the birth mother will be considered to be the legal parent. So the other mum may have to look at having to adopt the child, so she is also the legal mother.